Welcome to Compare to Win. The best toddler games is probably one of the most exciting and challenging aspects of planning a birthday party for your little ones, as you want to ensure that every child is entertained, engaged, and having an absolute blast from start to finish, creating cherished memories that will last a lifetime for both the children and their parents alike. Number 5. Animal Bean Bag Toss Game. Introducing the Animal Bean Bag Toss Game, a fantastic outdoor toy for kids and families. It's perfect for parties and makes a great gift. This versatile set comes with bean bags and balls, featuring a dual-sided board for 2 exciting game modes. Switch between whole board and dart board for endless fun. Crafted from high-quality, durable fabric with no sharp edges, this toy is designed for safe play. It's a fun indoor and outdoor tossing game that children will adore. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to set up, store, and transport. Keep your children engaged and active, away from screens, with this portable game. This sports toy is more than just fun, it helps children develop coordination and learn to take turns. Enjoy quality parent-child time while they get some healthy exercise. Looking for a holiday or birthday gift? This bean bag toss game is sure to delight kids and bring joy to the entire family. It's a gift that guarantees happiness. What we like? This game offers 2 ways to play with one board, providing double the fun. It's also incredibly easy to pack up and take anywhere, making it ideal for travel or small spaces. If you're looking for an activity that encourages physical movement and can be enjoyed both indoors and outdoors, this is a fantastic choice for active toddlers. What people say. The Velcro in the balls is strong and durable, then bean bags are good, they even come with stakes for the ground. It has cute little dinos, bright color, super cute for girl or boy. Installation was easy as 123, it popped right open, extremely lightweight. The game was easy to put together, is well made while not being very big, and it's easy to fold and store. We enjoyed the bean bag toss and the sticky ball game. Kids has a great time with this game. The little Velcro balls stuck really well, so even very little kids could barely toss the balls and they would stick. You can set this one up in such a way that both sides can be played. Number 4. BANGCOOL Bubble Wand Set. Introducing the BANGCOOL Bubble Wand Set, your ultimate companion for endless fun. This set is designed to create big, funny bubbles for any occasion. Make large and captivating bubbles that will bring smiles to everyone. It's perfect for parties, vacations, or just a day at the park. Enjoy awesome outdoor playtime with these wands. They are designed to bring laughter and joy to families and friends, anytime, anywhere. Creating miraculous bubbles is now easier than ever. Simply prepare your solution, dip the wands, and watch the magic happen. This set is suitable for everyone, from children to adults. Made with safe, non-toxic materials for worry-free play. The set includes wands of different sizes, from the biggest to mini sticks, ensuring a variety of bubble experiences for all. What we like? This set is designed to create impressively large and whimsical bubbles with minimal effort. It comes with a convenient tray to hold your bubble solution, making the process even simpler. If you want to bring a touch of magic and a lot of laughter to outdoor gatherings or beach days, this is the perfect way to create memorable moments for all ages. What people say. The wands are unique and make bubbles that are different than just round ones. Super easy to use and produce a ton of bubbles. There are 3 of them under the age of 5. They loved this pack of bubble wands. One thing I loved about this was how many plates it comes with. It meant that everyone who wanted to do bubbles had their own tray, so there wasn't fighting among the littles for anything. Number 3. Donkey Game Party Accessory. Get ready for endless fun with this party accessory. It's perfect for your next house party or birthday celebration. This game comes complete with a mask and 12 tails, ensuring everyone can join in the excitement. Crafted from 100% paper, it's a lightweight and easy-to-handle addition to your party supplies. Whether it's a lively house party or a special birthday, this accessory guarantees a good time. This imported item is designed to bring laughter and entertainment to your guests. Each package contains 1 complete set, ready for immediate use at your event. What we like? This is a timeless party game that's incredibly easy for everyone to understand and participate in. It comes with all the necessary pieces to get the fun started right away. If you're hosting a traditional birthday party or any lively get-together and want a game that guarantees giggles and friendly competition, this is a must-have addition. What people say. Classic pin the tail on the donkey game that brought back simple fun, fond memories, and a way to teach our kids how to have fun without electronics. Comes with a blindfold held up for the older kids and the toddlers went without. Bright and colorful. Number 2. 80 PCS Kawaii Squishies Mochi Toy Bulk. Discover a delightful collection of 80 squishy toys, perfect for kids aged 4 to 8. These adorable Mochi toys come in a handy bucket, featuring a variety of cute animals and fruits in vibrant colors and shapes. Each one is individually wrapped, making them perfect for sharing and hours of imaginative play. Looking for the ultimate party favor? These popular squishy toys are ideal for any occasion. They make fantastic gifts for birthdays, goodie bags, Easter baskets, and more, bringing smiles to boys, girls, teens, and even adults. These squishy fidget toys are not only entertaining but also educational. They help children develop color recognition and learn about animals and fruits, making them a great addition to classroom prizes and rewards. Feeling stressed? These squishy fidget toys offer a wonderful way to decompress. They provide a satisfying tactile experience that helps both kids and adults release tension and anxiety. With 80 individually wrapped squishies, this set is perfect for sharing. Boys and girls can take this portable bucket anywhere, ensuring playtime fun on the go. It's a great way to keep multiple children entertained for hours. Surprise your loved ones with this versatile gift set. It's perfect for Christmas stocking stuffers, advent calendars, or as a special treat. This bulk pack offers plenty of options for thoughtful and fun presents. What we like? You get a massive collection of 80 individually packaged squishy toys, offering incredible variety in colors and designs. These are perfect for little hands to squeeze and fidget with, providing sensory stimulation. If you need a large quantity of small, engaging favors for goodie bags, classroom prizes, or just to keep a group of kids entertained, this bulk set is an excellent value. What people say. This is a fantastic set of games that kept the kids entertained for hours. The variety of games included is great, offering something for every child's interest. The games are easy to set up and understand, making them perfect for a toddler's party. The instructions are clear and concise, and the components are durable and safe for little hands. We love the interactive nature of the games. The children were actively involved and engaged, which made the party a huge success. It's a wonderful way to encourage social interaction and physical activity. Number 1. JOYIN Giant Inflatable Bowling Set. Introducing the JOYIN Giant Inflatable Bowling Set, perfect for kids and adults. It's ideal for parties, games, and even educational fun to develop motor skills. This super value pack includes a giant inflatable bowling pin and bowl, all made from durable material. A hand pump is included for easy inflation. It's a perfect strike for your next party, adding a fun activity for indoor and outdoor events. Both kids and adults will love this awesome game. This inflatable bowling set is perfect for get-togethers, game days, and birthday parties. It's also a great addition to office parties and more. Made with premium quality, non-toxic materials, it meets US toy standards and has passed safety tests. Your child's safety is our priority. We are committed to customer safety and satisfaction. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll ensure every moment brings you joy. What we like? This is a supersized inflatable bowling set that's built for big laughs and active play. It's durable enough for both indoor and outdoor use, and conveniently comes with a hand pump to get it inflated quickly. If you're planning a party and want a show-stopping, active game that both kids and adults can enjoy together, this giant bowling set is sure to be a hit. What people say. Easy for him to put together and throw. Perfect size and a great way to use up some energy for the littles. Easy to inflate, lightweight, and fun for backyard games. It is big but not excessively big. It comes with leakage pads, which is great. It is lightweight, but there is something heavy in the base of the pins that does hurt if you use it to hit someone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.